Mother Nature too loves to keep busy. Every time the season changes, she affects a million changes so that we can enjoy watching and savoring those changes. Flowers bloom, birds migrate, the sun and moon alter their path, and we know that it's spring, summer, and winter, and get ready to enjoy the seasonal changes. But sadly, for many, seasonal changes are much dreaded occurrences. Why? Because they are beset by allergies of many types. An allergy can be triggered off by many factors: food, surroundings, and living habits. But one of the most major causes of seasonal allergy is atmospheric pollution. Some people who are prone to allergies find that even their everyday work is hampered because they just can't summon the energy to complete their tasks, along with fighting the symptoms of allergy. But what is allergy? What causes it? And what can a person who's suffering from allergy do to find relief? Ayurveda has some interesting and beneficial concepts.
Namaskar. Welcome to Eternal Health. The topic of this lecture is how to fight allergies through Ayurveda. Allergies are becoming a very common disorder in the modern age. When I travel in the Western countries, I see almost every third person having some kind of allergy. This is the patients which I am checking. Some people have allergy with wheat, some people have allergy to some citrus fruits, for example, dairy products, milk and milk products is a very common allergy. Also, the pollutants in the environment. It can be smoke, it can be dust, it can be some kind of fumes coming out of automobiles or many other kind of environmental pollutants. Allergy is an overreaction of our body to the external environmental factor or to the food or the allergen, whatever the allergen may be. When we try to find out what is the reason for allergy, it is different kind of explanations are given in the modern medical system. Mostly they would say that there is some antibodies production in the blood which actually ultimately turns into urticaria or rashes. Speaking in terms of Ayurveda, Ayurveda says that the main cause of allergy is weakness of immune system. In fact, in Ayurveda, they have a wonderful description about these allergies and how we can actually counter these allergies. Not only counter, but we can get rid of allergies permanently. You might be wondering how it is possible. Because when I meet these people suffering from so many different types of allergies, they are actually just told to avoid the cause of allergy. For example, if somebody has allergy to dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, doctors often tell them you should eliminate these products from your diet. But this is not the solution. Tomorrow you will have allergy to wheat and then maybe allergy to eggs or allergy to citrus fruits. So would you eliminate all these things from your diet? What will you eat? How will you survive? So Ayurveda says we must find out the root cause. Before I discuss the root cause of allergies, I would like to give you a very important basic principle of Ayurveda, which is called Tri Upastambha. Means in the body there are three supporting pillars. The pillars which support the main three pillars, which are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Vata, Pitta, Kapha, which are called the three doshas, are the three pillars of the body. It's like a tripod on which our body rests. If any one of these three pillars is imbalanced, then there will be an imbalance and the body may not be stable. But there are three supporting pillars which are actually responsible for supporting these main pillars or balancing these main pillars. These three upastambha or supporting pillars are Ahar, Nidra, Brahmacharya, food, sleep and controlled sexual activities. This is the basic principle of Ayurveda, which will easily explain how we get these allergies. When we treat allergies in Ayurveda, our main goal is to increase the immunity and to clear the toxins or ama from the body. Chyawanprash is a very popular formula which can be taken every day by any kind of allergy suffering patient, but it is specifically good if you have nasal allergies and bronchial allergies. Neem is another very interesting herb. Neem can be taken in the form of tablets or powder. Jiva Neem tablets, Jiva Neem syrup have cured hundreds and thousands of patients suffering from allergy, because neem basically works to purify, to clean the ama, even from the blood and from the intestines. Amla, of course, is another herb which contains a lot of vitamin C. Amla is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C actually boosts our immune system. There are lots of antioxidants which also rejuvenate. Almonds, for example, you can eat 5 to 7 pieces of almonds every day. You can eat some other nuts. Aloe vera is also a very nice antioxidant and also cleans at the same time. Papaya is very good. Specifically when talking about digestion, papaya contains papain enzyme which helps with digestive system. Cabbage juice is very good. Garlic contains allicin, which also is antiviral. Fresh fruits like mangoes, pineapples are also very useful for boosting our immune system, and specifically bananas. Bananas contain potassium, which actually cleans our kidneys. There is a saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but I would say 2 bananas a day will keep the allergy away. That is why I have kept bananas here. So like this, you can include lots of fresh fruits in your diet. Fresh vegetables are also very useful. Fresh vegetable juice, for example, cabbage juice, I very often advise to my patients suffering from allergy. So eat proper, sleep proper, control your sexual activities, and boost up your immunity, and get rid of all the allergies that you are facing. Thank you very much. Namaskar.